Imagine building robots for a living. Seriously, think about that for a second. Being a roboticist is easily one of the coolest jobs on the planet. However, it is definitely not easy to have a career in robotics engineering. But don't worry, we have all the help you need from some of the best robotics engineering universities in the world. In today's video, we'll give you 5 of the best courses to take to achieve your lifelong dream of becoming a roboticist. So thank your stars. You are in the right place. Number 5. Mechanisms in Motion, UDEMY. Are you particularly interested in 3D design and want to learn more about mechanisms in robotics? Then UDEMY's Mechanisms and Motion course is tailor-made for you. UDEMY is a leading online education platform that provides free and paid courses to thousands of students worldwide. Guess what? This course is one of the free courses on the platform. Also, it only lasts 5 hours, and it actually allows you to move at your own pace. So, basically, you don't have to sit behind the computer at 9 a.m. every morning like you do in that boring online class. Works for me. However, the course is not necessarily a beginner course. It is designed to prepare students for mechanical engineering in college. But if you're a beginner, sit tight. We have a few good beginner courses we'll share later in the video. So this course gives foundational knowledge about how mechanics and robotics work, and during the course, students will be taken through the various types of mechanisms that are specifically used to build machines and robots. If you think this course is perfect for you, then head over to UDEMY and sign up now to enjoy the lessons of course instructor John DeVitri. Number 4. Robotic Process Automation, LinkedIn Learning. If you think 5 hours is a pretty impressive time to complete a course in robotics engineering, then how about 1.5 hours? Yep, that's precisely the time frame you'll need to complete LinkedIn Learning's Robotic Process Automation course. And like I promised, this one is one of the beginner courses. So if you're looking to kickstart a journey you hope will eventually make you a robotics engineer one day, then you want to mark this course down. But what is this course precisely about? Of course, we know it teaches you about robots, broadly speaking, but we'll tell you the details soon after you kindly subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you want to know more about robotics and other trends, so kindly hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. So, this course is crafted to give you a deep insight into the fundamental concepts of robotic process automation. Now, this process is essentially a branch of robotics that tries to emulate how humans work, thereby changing the way we work entirely while at it. By the end of the course, instructor Ian Barkin will teach you how to explain concepts like swivel chair integration and where you can best employ robotic process automation. Excited already? I certainly am already. Head over to LinkedIn Learning to sign up now. And note, it's actually a free course, but only for 1 month on trial for new members. Number 3. Begin Robotics, Future Learn. If you are a beginner, the name Begin Robotics should make you smile because, as the term Begin Robotics goes, it's tailor-made for you. The course entails a rigorous 4-week curriculum that covers a host of topics such as these: Introduction to Robotics Robot Anatomy, Cybernetics and Control, Robot Behaviors. Now that sounds like a pretty comprehensive set of lessons. It'll literally feel like you're in school, except you'll be able to start whenever you like and actually go at your own pace. At the end of the lesson, course professors Richard Mitchell and William Harwin will help you to be able to identify the various forms of robot functions and where they should be used, as well as help you understand the commands that allow robots to complete different tasks effectively. But before you even visit Future Learn to begin this course, I'll recommend a video on our channel to warm you up and get you ready. Go watch our video titled, What Exactly is Robotics Engineering? Robotics Engineering Job Description. This video will undoubtedly prepare your mind for what's coming. And it is actually a great introductory video on robotics engineering as a whole. So you want to check it out. Right? So the Begin Robotics course is entirely free, and you'll have the opportunity to get extra benefits and a certificate upon completion of the course for $74. I think that's pretty cool, but I'm curious to know what you think about certificates for online courses. Get into the comments and tell me what you think. And by the way, we have 2 more courses that offer certificates from prestigious universities to talk about next, so keep watching. Number 2. Robotics edX. Now, this course is hosted on one of the best online education platforms out there. I'm talking edX. Even more impressively, it is provided by none other than Columbia University, a world-leading university in robotics engineering. The course allows learners to understand the fundamental techniques that enable the representation of robots that perform basic human tasks. By the sound of it, you should guess that it is an advanced level course, unlike some of the ones we've mentioned so far. So if you're looking to start off as a newbie, better stay away, or you'll walk out of the first lesson with migraines and distorted memory. That's a warning. Anyway, it is a free course, but it comes with an option of a certificate which will cost you a fee of $249. And as an advanced level course, that's fair pricing, if you ask me. The course helps students identify the representation of 2D and 3D spatial relationships and how to know the manipulation of robot arms kinetically. Additionally, you'll learn everything from the programming and moving of mobile robots to the planning of complete mobile systems and the development of usable robotic applications. All of that will take you approximately 10 weeks to complete. It'll definitely be worth it, especially as you'll be tutored by Mate Shakarli, who's a leading professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department at Columbia University. Number 1. Robotic Specialization Coursera. Finally, our top robotics engineering course is Robotic Specialization, a course that equips you with the building blocks for a new career in robotics. The course takes 7 months to complete, which tells you all you need to know about how detailed it is. It is also a beginner course, so you can get into it if you don't know anything about robotics. So don't worry, you won't be getting any migraines this time. Neither will you come out of it with a distorted memory. That's a promise. Despite being a 7-month course, you'll be able to work at your own pace and actually stay on track throughout. Interestingly, the course is provided by the University of Pennsylvania and is also hosted by the popular online education platform COURSERA. By the end of the course, you'd have learned about how robotic perception, robot movement, and how robots are able to avoid obstacles. All of this comes for free, including a free certificate you can be able to share on your LinkedIn profile. Aside from robotics engineering being frankly one of the coolest sectors you can have a job in, the job market is expected to attain a growth rate of 4 to 6% within the next decade. So you really have to take that step if you want to become a robotic engineer, or if you also want to keep improving your knowledge in the field. Now talking about improving existing knowledge, here's a suggestion. Watch our video titled Top 7 Robotics Engineering Project Ideas in 2022, and you'll definitely be able to flex those muscles and gain even more knowledge. Well, I hope you gained knowledge and enjoyed this video while at it. I certainly did. Thanks for watching and see you next time.